All right, so here's our cylinder. We just got finished putting our rosewood grips on. Here's our cleaned frame, our clean Blackhawk. We're just going to repeat the same process in reverse order that we did earlier. We have our cylinder here, and you'll see this star, what I like to consider a sawtooth star on the back of this cylinder here. That's going to let you know this is going to seat with the back of the frame. And if you look here inside the frame, I'm going to open the loading gate so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to use my screwdriver here. And if you look right inside here, that's exactly where that sawtooth star is going to sit inside the frame. And so we're going to set our firearm back over. We're going to have it laying on its left-hand side, or you can have it standing up, whichever is more comfortable. A lot of times I just kind of lay it down, and I feel like I got a little bit more control over what I'm doing, because I'm going to try not to scratch the cylinder and the frame together. And I'm going to bring the cylinder up over the loading gate, and then it's just going to kind of slide into place. You're just going to have to maneuver it just a little bit, and that's when I'm going to pick my frame up. All right. And you can see here, as it's sitting in here, it's going to be wobbly. It's going to feel like it's not seated properly. And it may not be seated properly yet, but what we're going to do is in our next step, we're going to use our base pin to stabilize that cylinder.